Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about what we believe is the best metal bed frame for a Twin XL. The Lutown-Teen 16-inch Twin XL metal platform bed frame. If you're looking for a sturdy, reliable bed frame that provides excellent support without the need for a box spring, then this is definitely a product you should consider. First off, let's talk about the key features. The Lutown-Teen bed frame is made from high-quality alloy steel, making it both strong and durable. It's designed to hold up to 1,000 pounds, which is more than enough for your mattress and any other items you may place on it. The frame features metal slats that are spaced just perfectly, at about 7.44 inches apart, to offer superior mattress support, while extending the life of your mattress, whether it's a spring mattress, memory foam, or latex mattress. Now, one of the main concerns people often have when it comes to metal bed frames is noise. Nobody wants to sleep on a squeaky bed frame. Well, the Lutown-Teen frame has you covered with its noise-free design. The square frame structure and anti-scratch foot covers help eliminate any friction or noise that might disrupt your sleep. Assembly is another huge plus. No one wants to spend hours putting a bed frame together. This frame is super easy to assemble and comes with all the necessary parts and instructions. In fact, it takes just 20 to 30 minutes to put together, which is great for anyone who needs to get their bed set up quickly. The minimalist design of this bed frame means that it can easily fit into almost any room decor. Whether you're setting it up in a guest room, dorm room, or your main bedroom, the clean, modern look ensures it blends seamlessly with other furniture pieces. Plus, the 16-inch height gives you ample storage space underneath for all those extra items, helping to keep your room organized and clutter-free. Another impressive feature is the 16-inch clearance under the bed, providing extra space for storage. If you live in a smaller space or need some extra room for storing items like bins or boxes, this is a fantastic solution. You can maximize your space without feeling cramped. The Lutown-Teen bed frame is also a great option if you're after a sturdy, reliable frame that's easy to maintain. It's built to last and requires no additional tools or maintenance after installation. Plus, the black polished finish ensures it's easy to clean, maintaining its sleek look over time. Overall, the Lutown-Teen 16-inch Twin XL bed frame is a top choice for anyone looking for a heavy-duty, noise-free, and easy-to-assemble platform bed frame. Whether you're upgrading your current bed or setting up a new one, this frame will not disappoint. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to check out the product link below for more details.